8.1 Tailored Training and Adaptive Learning Platforms. Tailored training and adaptive learning platforms are one of the most impactful uses of AI in education today. These platforms don't just deliver content, they learn from how each student interacts with the material and then adjust the experience in real time. Such solutions are based on advanced algorithms that analyze user behavior, progress, strengths, and areas that require improvement. This allows them to create dynamic learning paths that maximize the effectiveness of the educational process. AI in such platforms monitors user interactions with training materials in real time. By analyzing data such as the pace of knowledge acquisition, the number of correct answers, or the time spent on specific tasks, AI systems can adjust the difficulty level of the content to the individual capabilities of the learner. For example, if a user is having difficulty with a specific topic, the platform can offer additional explanatory materials or practical exercises to help them better understand the topic. Instead of giving everyone the same lesson, AI-driven systems adapt to each learner's pace, preferences, and performance. If a student struggles with a topic, the platform offers extra practice or explains the concept in a new way. If they're breezing through, it moves them ahead to keep them challenged and engaged. This creates a personalized learning journey that helps boost confidence, close knowledge gaps, and reduce frustration. Platforms like Century Tech, Smart Sparrow, or Dreambox are great examples. They use AI to continuously assess progress and fine-tune content delivery. For educators, these systems offer powerful insights, making it easier to spot learning trends and support individual students more effectively. In short, adaptive learning is like having a digital tutor that always knows what each student needs next. 8.1.1 Duolingo. Duolingo is one of the most popular language learning apps. Nuka is personalized there. Lessons are quick and short, which allows you to learn at a pace that suits you. The points you earn and the appearance of the so-called days, if you do tasks several days in a row, add motivation to solve tasks. The app offers several subscription plans. A new Max plan has appeared above the Duolingo Super subscription plan. In addition to taking over the functions from Super, the new subscription adds 2 new exercises, Explain My Answer and Roleplay. Both options are supported by the GPT-4 model. Test your English online on the website. You can complete a test that will allow the interested person to precisely determine their knowledge of the language. Genka Duolingo is not just an application for learning languages. Duolingo's math course makes learning easy as PIE allows you to increase your mathematics skills. Duolingo podcast has over 300 episodes in Spanish, French, and English. The new feature in the app is AI Video Call, which simulates a realistic environment and dialogue, which is supposed to help practice conversational skills. Duolingo will allow you to have conversations with the character Lily in real time. The creators of the app want consumers to be able to apply what they have learned through traditional lessons. The update will also ultimately help reduce stress for people afraid of speaking in a foreign language. Duolingo, YouTube. 8.1.2 Khan Academy. Khan Academy is a free online learning platform that offers a wide range of courses and educational materials accessible to users worldwide. Its main goal is to provide high-quality education to anyone with internet access, regardless of their age, location, or financial situation. The platform was founded in 2008 by Salman Khan, who initially created videos for his relatives and later grew the project into a global nonprofit organization. Khan Academy works by providing interactive lessons, exercises, and educational videos that cover a wide range of subjects and skill levels. Courses include math, science, physics, chemistry, biology, computer science, history, economics, English, and preparation for standardized tests such as the SAT, GMAT, and LSAT. The materials are available in the form of interactive exercises that help users gain practical understanding of a given topic and video lectures that explain key concepts in an accessible way. One of the most important aspects of Khan Academy is the ability to learn at your own pace. The platform allows users to progress through the materials in a way that is tailored to their needs and level of knowledge. For example, in math, users can start with basic topics such as arithmetic and then gradually move on to more advanced topics such as algebra, geometry, and calculus. The platform's algorithms track the user's progress, identifying areas for improvement and suggesting appropriate exercises. Khan Academy also places a strong emphasis on supporting teachers and parents. The platform offers tools to monitor student progress, allowing teachers and caregivers to tailor their teaching approach to the individual needs of each student. This means that Khan Academy can be used in both traditional education as a supplement to school lessons and in homeschooling. An important aspect of Khan Academy is that all of its materials are completely free. The organization is funded by donations from individuals, foundations, and corporations. This allows users to use the platform without any fees, making it accessible to everyone, regardless of their financial situation. Khan Academy is available in multiple languages, making it a global educational tool. Thanks to cooperation with local organizations, the content is translated into various languages, including Polish, which allows students from Poland to use the resources in their native language. YouTube video, news archives, Khan Academy blog. 8.2. AI in distance learning and virtual tutoring. AI in distance learning and virtual tutoring is transforming how students learn remotely by making online education more interactive, personalized, and accessible. In virtual classrooms, AI can recommend learning paths, adjust content difficulty, and even detect when a student is struggling, so help can be offered in real time. Virtual tutors powered by AI act like on-demand assistants, answering questions, explaining concepts, and guiding students through lessons 24/7. They offer instant feedback and support, which helps keep learners engaged and reduces the sense of isolation common in online education. AI also powers smart scheduling, automates grading, and helps educators track progress across large groups of students, making distance learning more efficient and scalable. In short, AI brings a human-like layer of responsiveness and personalization to online education, making remote learning more effective and student-centered. Artificial intelligence can support distance learning and virtual teaching by changing the way students and teachers interact and learn. Thanks to advanced algorithms and machine learning technologies, AI adapts the learning process to the individual needs of students, enabling more effective learning of material and better management of the educational process. After the COVID-19 pandemic, learning or working remotely has become a daily occurrence for many people, and it is no wonder, but new possibilities allow it to be improved and made more accessible to most users. AI algorithms analyze the students' progress, identify their strengths and areas requiring improvement, and adapt teaching materials in real time. Thanks to this, each student can learn at their optimal pace, which increases the effectiveness of teaching and minimizes frustration related to more difficult topics. AI also allows the use of virtual tutors and educational chatbots that can support students in learning by answering questions, explaining difficult issues, and suggesting additional materials. AI-powered virtual teachers are available 24/7, giving students the ability to get immediate help regardless of the time of day or location. Teachers can also automate their work in terms of grading tests, homework, and analyzing student results. AI systems can then detect patterns in student responses and suggest topics to teachers that require additional coverage, allowing them to better tailor the curriculum to the needs of the class. AI-powered distance learning also includes augmented reality, AR, and virtual reality, VR, technologies, which allow for more immersive and engaging learning environments. This allows students to explore 3D models, participate in scientific simulations, and visit virtual museums, making learning more interactive and accessible. 8.2.1 Coursera. Coursera is one of the biggest and most popular online educational platforms out there. Founded in 2012 by Stanford professors Andrew Ng and Daphne Koller, Coursera was built on the idea of making high-quality education accessible to everyone, everywhere. Coursera partners with over 300-plus institutions, including universities like Stanford, Yale, Duke, and the University of London, and companies like Google, IBM, Meta, and Microsoft. The platform provides training courses available in 12 languages and additionally allows you to generate subtitles. The scope of training courses conducted on the platform is very wide and includes, among others, business, economics, mathematics, computer science, physics, philosophy, cryptocurrencies, medicine, biology, data analysis, social media, languages, personal development. A typical course on the Coursera platform consists of several key elements that provide a comprehensive educational experience. Each course is divided into modules or weekly units that contain video materials, texts to read, interactive exercises, and tasks to complete. In addition to lectures, students have access to additional materials such as articles, scientific research, or presentations that deepen the subject of the course. Most courses also include quizzes and tests that help verify the level of knowledge acquisition. In more advanced programs, participants may be required to submit written assignments or projects that are assessed by other students through peer review or automated grading algorithms. Interactivity in courses is also enhanced discussion forums where students can ask questions, share insights, and collaborate on more challenging topics. Some courses also offer live sessions with instructors where students can ask questions and engage in discussions about the material being covered. Coursera offers both free and paid courses. Free courses allow students to watch videos and use basic resources, but they don't receive a certificate of completion. To earn a certificate, you must purchase access to the course, which typically costs between $39 and $99 for a single course. You can also subscribe to Coursera Plus, which costs around $59 per month or $399 per year and provides access to thousands of courses with certificates. For those looking to take their skills to the next level, there are also specialization programs that include several related courses, as well as full online degrees, which are much more expensive and can cost thousands of dollars. Ethics and future of AI. The ethics and future of AI are two of the most important conversations happening in tech today, because while AI is incredibly powerful, how we design, use, and regulate it will shape everything from jobs and education to justice and human rights. As AI becomes more advanced and ubiquitous, there is a growing need to define the rules that will govern its operation and impact on society. Among the main ethical challenges are issues such as accountability for decisions made by AI, transparency of algorithms, elimination of biases, and equal access to the technology. Many international organizations, such as UNESCO and the European Union, are working on ethical standards for AI to ensure its safe and equitable use. Documents such as the Asilomar Principles or the OECD Guidelines on Artificial Intelligence emphasize the need for AI systems that respect human rights, promote equality, and avoid harmful social impacts. Another important issue is accountability for AI errors and decisions. When an algorithm makes a wrong decision, e.g. in medicine or autonomous transport, it becomes crucial to determine who is responsible: the algorithm developer, the user, or the company implementing the system. Debates on AI liability are still ongoing, and future regulations will need to adapt the law to new technological challenges. AI raises serious ethical questions like bias and fairness. AI systems learn from data. If that data reflects existing social biases, racism, sexism, etc., the AI can amplify those problems. We've seen this in facial recognition, hiring algorithms, and criminal justice tools. Transparency and accountability. How does an AI make its decisions? Many systems are black boxes, even to their creators. That's a problem when those decisions affect people's lives, like getting a loan or a job. Privacy. AI often relies on massive amounts of personal data. Who owns that data? How is it being used? Are people being tracked without knowing? Autonomy and consent. Should machines make decisions about humans without human approval? In healthcare, policing, or warfare, this gets especially tricky. Job displacement. AI is automating tasks in every industry. While it can create new opportunities, it's also making people nervous about job security, especially in roles that are routine or data-driven. AI is evolving fast, and its future depends on the choices we make now. Regulation and policy. Expect more governments to step in with rules around AI ethics, data protection, and algorithmic transparency, especially with tools like generative AI becoming mainstream. Human-AI collaboration. The future likely isn't about AI replacing people, but augmenting us. Think of doctors working with AI diagnostics, teachers using smart assistants, or designers co-creating with AI tools. Responsible development. More focus will be placed on ethical AI design, from diverse teams, fair data sets, and inclusive testing, to make sure AI works for everyone, not just the privileged few. AI for good. There's huge potential for AI to tackle real-world problems, climate change, healthcare access, education gaps, poverty, if used responsibly and with human values at the center. Youth and education. Teaching young people about AI, not just how to use it, but how to question, shape, and govern it, will be key to a future where AI serves humanity. 9th January, Responsible AI Development.